What's going on, YouTube? So today we're going to do a very simple install. As you can see, got the bike up on the lift. I was a little bit nervous pulling it up. It's the first time I've done it since I broke my leg. But today we're going to be doing a rear heel shifter install. Something pretty simple. But for some reason, Harley discontinued the heel shifters on the, I think it was in 2019 on the touring bikes. So let's get this thing in the air and get started. Okay, to make this a little bit easier, try and get it right back to the same spot. I've got a wet erase marker I'm going to put right there. We'll mark at the gap, and we can pull this off, remove this little rubber stop, and slide the toe shifter back on. I believe that's a 3/16 Allen wrench. And yes, that is a 3/16. I'll slide this off. All right, that looks to be about the right spot. And apparently there's more to it now than just sliding the damn thing on. Let's see if the spacer came in the kit. Yes, actually it does come in the kit. I'm kind of shocked Harley doesn't charge you another 20 bucks for that. So we will slide this back off, slide that on. Right back in the same spot, I think. And we'll go ahead and put this bolt back in. Alright, and this is going to take a 7/16 wrench to hold the nut on. Hold the nut in place while you tighten up the well, I say that, but it stayed right where it's supposed to. Now, you don't have to have this at 100 foot-pounds. Just, you can see what I was using, just a little short, stubby 3/8. There's that. Now, notice the curve. Curve needs to curve out away from the bike and then go back. Now this is going to be a trial and error as to where we put this. It looks like it's going to be about right. Now this should be, this rod is, or shifter arm, not rod, is just aluminum. So when you tighten this up, again, you're not going to want to put 75 ooga doogas on it. You're just going to want it snugged up. Oh yeah, I think that's going to work out perfect for us. So let's get that right there. Oh. Let me pull that back off. I see why I didn't need the wrench to tighten that up earlier. I'll put a mark right there for that gap. I don't know how well you all can see this, but there is a hex or a flat so that the nut just kind of, or did it go? So that the nut just kind of sets in there and you don't need to put a wrench on it. Well, let's get this back on. Too low. There we go. Dummy, change your socket back out. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's install. Like I said, it's pretty simple. I've got a few more parts to this thing. I've got a Apple CarPlay jumper to install and a amp, but I haven't ordered the mounting bracket yet. And I got something coming that my wife got me for Valentine's Day, so it'll be another pretty simple install once we get all the mud off the bike, because I haven't taken it to a car wash yet to blow all that out. So yeah, she needs washed. I've got some bug cleaner in the house I got in the mail the other day. I'm gonna try it out and let you know how that goes. You guys are still here? What are you still doing here? Well, as long as you're here, if you want to watch more, there's some videos here. Maybe there, maybe there. Hell, they might be up there. I don't know where I'm going to put them at yet. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. And maybe share the video with a few friends. That way they might like what I do and go ahead and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.